Good morning, dear students. Dr. Noshad is there. Again, I am here with you with the next topic. Today topic is intramural and extramural activities. First, we shall discuss about the intramural activities. What is the intramural activities? Intramural activities, the tournament which will played inside the four wall of institutions, campus or school premises, that is called the intramural activities. In other words, you can say intramural activities are those activities where the same institution, school or institution student were participate. The same school, institution or school student were participated. That is called the intramural activities. In 1964, USA was the first country where the baseball tournament was organized according to the intramural activities. After that, in the beginning of 20th century, there are some progressive physical education teacher go through the mode of intramural activities and organize the tournament on the basis of intramural activities. Now come to the importance of intramural activities. The importance of intramural activities. What? Number one, and why the intramural activities, you can develop the mental, physical, social aspect in the students. Means by the intramural activities you can develop physical, mental as well as intellectual aspects of the body. That is very important to any child being a proper development, or you can say complete personality of any child. Second is, by the medium of intramural activities you can develop the leadership quality. By the medium of intramural activities you can develop the leadership quality. What is the leadership quality? Leadership quality means any individual who is capable to lead the team in a good directions, control over the students, control over the batchmate, loyal, he should be loyal, he should be honest. That all quality a leader have, and that quality, that leadership quality will be developed through the physical activity, through the intramural activities. And next, another very important point is that in the intramural activities the number of students, more number of students will participate at the same time. Means the participation of the student is maximum students can participate at the same time. It is another very important point of the intramural activities, because it will be held inside the four walls of the institution. That's why to conduct any tournament, here will be 14 is there. You can divide it the school into the 14 name, as you can name that teams according to rules, according to freedom fighter, whatever you want. So here maximum student can participate. They have competitive spirit in there. They feel creative. These all the qualities which any child can develop by the medium of intramural activities. Next topic is extramural activities. What is the extramural activities? Extramural activities are those activities where student going to outside the four wall of the students to participate in any tournament. That is called the extramural activities. In other words, you can say where the different school teams come at a same place to participate in the in any tournament, that is called the extramural activities. Here some significance also there. Number one, number one, it is opportunity to the school physical education teacher to develop the school team, because here we are going to outside the four wall of the institution. That means our school team is going to participate, and it's a duty of physical education to make a good team by the trials, by the mode of trial, and by the different mode, whatever he choose. Second benefits, second importance is what? By the extramural activities, player should face the different audience. When our school team is going to participate outside the institutions, the audience will be different. It is unfavorable audience. If here you can perform, it means what? That performance enhance your mental level, enhance your means your confidence is going to boost up. If you will perform outside the school in different audience, definitely it will give benefit to you. You will be an extraordinary player in future. So these are the some points which is very important in extramural activities. So these are the major difference between the intramural and extramural activities. Students, suppose you have faced any problem in extramural and intramural activities, you can call me, make me call, and or why you can contact me via mail. Okay, have a nice day. Good day.